So as you can see right here, this is the 90-inch hanging cabinets that hang from the ceiling rails. This is great if you know that you're gonna want cabinets that go the entirety of the length of the van. This hanging cabinet probably does best on the far side of the van, but you can do 90-inch cabinets on both. And these are the 30-inch cabinets. So like on here, there will be bungees across here. Really nice for storing pretty much whatever. I have my clothing bags up here that I store. And again, these twist and slide around. 30-inch cabinets, 2 of them on each side. And then this is the 90-inch cabinet. So where the other cabinets were for the mid-roof van, these cabinets are for the high roof van. So as you can see, they're a bit taller because you just have more wiggle room vertically in the high roof van. This right here is the 90-inch cabinet. And again, it'll have bungees that run in front so that you can put stuff in here without the fear of stuff falling out. So that is the 90-inch cabinet. And here we have the 30-inch cabinet. You could fit 3 of these all the way, or you could do one 90-inch along the side of the interior of the van. You can customize where you put your bungees. You can put more of these to where there's not any gap. It's thinner, so they're smaller. You can put smaller things in here.